Hello guys, so here I am today to tell you about the new launch of OnePlus Nord, which was announced today. On the availability part, the OnePlus Nord will be available for purchase in India through Amazon and OnePlus.in starting from August 4. However, only the 8GB and 128GB RAM variants will be offered initially. The 6GB plus 64GB version will arrive in September. Unlike Xiaomi and other companies, OnePlus will be offering the Nord as open sale from day one. The OnePlus Nord price in India starts at Rs 24,999 for 6 plus 64GB storage variant that is exclusive to the country. The phone also comes in 8GB plus 128GB storage at Rs 27,999 and at the top of the line 12GB plus 256GB storage model at Rs 29,999. There are two color options to choose from, namely Blue Marble and Gray Onyx. However, only the 8GB and 128GB RAM model will get both options. The base variant will only be sold in Gray Onyx color. It's still got a 1080p OLED display with a 48 megapixels main camera sensor as the OnePlus 8. Now I am going to tell you about some pros and cons of this newly launched OnePlus Nord mobile. Here are the pros. Nord is the first OnePlus phone to come with a dual punch hole camera setup on the front. For selfies, the OnePlus Nord includes 32 megapixels primary front camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle secondary lens. Second is, OnePlus Nord uses the same primary rear camera as OnePlus 8. The phone comes with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 image sensor, irrespect with secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Third is a 2 megapixel macro lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Third but not the least, similar to OnePlus flagship phones, OnePlus Nord will receive 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates. And these are some cons. No 3.5mm headphone jack on the OnePlus Nord. By ditching the headphone jack, OnePlus is serving two purposes: reducing the price of the Nord and also encouraging consumers to buy the newly launched OnePlus Buds with start at price Rs 4,990. OnePlus realizes that you may currently live outside 5G coverage, but it promises to support the Nord for a while. It will release OS updates for 2 years and security patches for a year longer. This means there's a chance that 5G network will reach you before the Nord reaches the end of its life. Thank you.